Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today I will talk about this Rode wireless ME ultra compact mic system which I ordered on Amazon India, and right today it has been delivered to me. Okay, so this is the particular packaging and I'll unbox this particular packaging right here right today. So let me open it in front of the camera. Okay, so let me check what is inside it. Okay, so inside it there is another packaging for the safety, as for the shockproof purpose they have given this particular wireless mic system under inside this heavy packaging. Okay, so the as per packaging consideration, this packaging was very good. Okay, so this is the particular wireless ME great audio every time from Rode. Okay, so it is having one transmitter and another receiver for wireless communication, and in the side it is written that it is a two-way interviews, works with camera and smartphones, and free Rode video and audio apps can be installed. Okay, so over here you can check what are the written box contents are one receiver transmitter and one SC21 USB-C to lightning cable, one number of SC2 3.5 millimeter cable TRS to TRS, and another SC7 3.5 TRS TRRS to TRS cable, and another things like that, one SC22 USB cable to USB-C cable, two far windshields, and one carry product. These are the contents inside it. So let us open this package to check what is inside it. Okay, so it has been sealed, and like this I have to open. Very good packaging is there. There is no way to open. Okay, at the bottom there is some opener and I have to cut open. So there is a pouch. These are the wireless transmitter and receivers. Okay, there is the silica gel to control the moisture, and what is inside it, there are some accessories. The TRS cables are inside it. Yes, these are the things inside it. Okay, so let me minimize this screen. Okay, what is inside this pouch? There is nothing inside the pouch. Okay, and inside this box there is the quick start guide, and there should be another windscreen protector. Okay, so these are the contents inside it, and this is the how to use. Okay, every of the digital products contain this thing. Okay, how to use. Okay, so this is the USB type C to type C. This is the TRRS and TRS cables, and this is USB-C to lightning. Okay, so let us keep these things aside and to check what is these things over here. Okay, so there, this is most probably the transmitter, it has been written. Okay, and this is the receiver, whatever. So you have to attach this by using the clip over here. Now yes, inside the packaging, very good packaging. This is the transmitter was there, and most probably this is the switch. let me press it and see whether this one is blinking. If this is switched on, this particular LED will be indicating over here. So not an indicating right now. Maybe I have to charge it. No charge it inside it, so I have to charge it back to use these things. So these were the contents. Okay, so I'll have to make another video after charging these things to demonstrate how these things are used. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching, thank you very much.